Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are the kind of person who's always reaching for a little something to put over your food, you are going to absolutely love this Jungle Kitchen chili oil. It is so good. So this is a blend of crushed red pepper and crispy fried garlic, and it is the perfect blend. It is not too spicy at all. This is the mild flavor. You can get it in other options that are a little bit spicier, but this is so nice because it just adds a very mild kick to your dishes, but it also adds a really delicious savory flavor with the garlic, and the fact that it is kind of crispy, it adds some texture too. So everything that I have put this on is only enhanced by it. It tastes so good. I also love that it adds a fun, bright red color to my dishes, so it even makes them more visually appealing. That fried garlic really adds a nice, deep, earthy flavor, and you really cannot go wrong with this. I have put it on everything from tacos, salads, soups, eggs, everything you can think of, and it just tastes amazing. So this chili oil is versatile, it's flavorful and well balanced, and it just adds another layer of deliciousness to your food. So if you are looking for the perfect little savory topping for all of your food, trust me, this one from Jungle Kitchen is so delicious. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.